For a very long time I have been using a wireless audio transmitter receiver module. This is a very simple module that can be either in transmit or receive mode. I found the module so useful I was moving it from one piece of equipment to another. My original one was made by ELEGIANT. Searching on Amazon I see they did an upgraded module for the same price. I will leave a link in the description below for this wireless radio transmitter receiver module. This particular module's Bluetooth was the latest one of 5.1. The user manual was in good English and very simple to follow. All the information and instructions covered about 4 pages and gave you all the information on how to fit it and pair it up with different devices. The instructions were repeated in a total of 6 different languages. In the box you will find 3 leads. There's a 3.5 to 3.5 stereo lead, an auxiliary RCA lead with a 3.5mm stereo VML connector. This can be used in conjunction with the 3.5 to 3.5 male stereo lead. And finally the micro USB to USB lead for charging. The module is 76mm in diameter by 11.5mm thick. On the bottom is a rubber ring. This stops it from scratching the surface that it's placed on. One feature I do like is the OLED screen. You will find that there is a protective screen on the OLED display. You will need to remove this before using the module. This does have a feel of quality. The casing itself is made from injection molded plastic, both silver and black. The specifications for the module are quite impressive. Although the specifications say that you get 20 hours of usage, I've got a lot more usage than that. I did find it only took 2 3/4 hours to charge a completely flat battery. Below the screen is the selection buttons, which are up, down and OK. The power, receive, transmit and pairing button can be found on the right hand side. On the top is the 3.5mm audio in and out and charging port. And finally on the left hand side is the audio up and down buttons. Although a micro USB to USB lead is provided for charging, they do not provide you with a charger. You will need to provide your own. The charger itself needs to be 5V at 2A. If your mobile phone or tablet has a USB charger, these will be sufficient. These are normally 5V. A computer USB port again can be used for charging up the module. With a flat battery this can take up to 3 hours to fully charge. In the receiver mode, either using a tablet or your mobile phone, the Bluetooth connects onto the module. Once you've paired your mobile device to the module, you simply plug it into your home stereo system, an amplifier or wired headphones. As an example, I'll pair up the module now with my mobile phone. Make sure that your Bluetooth is switched on your phone or mobile device that you're using. Put the switch into RX receive mode. The LEDs around the outer of the module will start to flash, then you will see ELEGIANT appear on your screen. Select that. After a very short while you will see a request for pairing. When you see this, click OK. That's it, your module is now paired with your mobile device. Around the outer edge you will see the blue flashing light pulse once every few seconds. If the module loses the connection, i.e. if you switch off the Bluetooth on your mobile device, it will flash rapidly. Switching on the Bluetooth again on your mobile device, you will need to select the ELEGIANT module. On the OLED screen you will see what it's connected to, in my case the Galaxy mobile phone. With the transmitter mode, this enables you to connect your wireless headphones or wireless speakers to the module. Once these have been paired, simply using the 3.5mm lead, plug this into your PC, TV or MP3 audio output. To use this, put the switch to TX mode. The OLED display will say that it's connecting. It is looking for you to switch on another device that it can pair with. In this case I'm going to use 2 sets of headphones, but first I'll switch on the first set of headphones. After a short period of time, when the headphones have been switched on, you will see the name of the headphones appear on the OLED screen. At this stage I could just click the OK button, but I've switched on the other set of headphones now and you should see the second pair, so there should be a total of 2. Using the up and down arrow, I can select either one and then click OK. The module will pair with that set of headphones. To select the other set of headphones, simply press the pairing button on the side. As before, after a short period of time, the name of the headphones will appear on the screen. When this is seen, simply press the OK button. In a very short period of time, the second set of headphones will pair up. You will know that you were successful, as you will see both sets of headphones 1 and 2 on the screen. For each set of headphones that you pair up with this module, it will remember. This is a very nice feature, as you do not have to keep pairing up every time that you switch on and go through that procedure. This time, simply switch on the module and then switch on each of the headphones in turn. If they have been paired up before, both of them will appear on the OLED screen. You can now use two pairs of headphones at the same time. In the TX mode, you will need to put audio from your device into the module. As an example here, my TV has got both 3.5mm and audio auxiliary outputs. With the 3.5mm, it plugs into the TV and into the module. Devices with auxiliary outputs normally have a white and red connector for left and right hand channels. Plug the corresponding colour into the corresponding colour on your audio output device. When using the module this way, use the 3.5mm to 3.5mm, plug it into the audio auxiliary lead and then the other end into the module. Put the module into TX mode, make sure your headphones are on, and things will pair up if you've already paired them as we've shown you earlier on. As an example here, I've connected the Bluetooth on my mobile phone to the module. The module is then plugged into a set of speakers. I apologise for the hum on the speakers. They're old speakers and I didn't notice that till after this demonstration. The audio at the moment is from the mobile phone and now switching over to the module. Using the plus and minus buttons on the side, you can turn up or down the audio. As with any devices like this, there is a small tiny amount of latency. The audio quality through amplifiers and also my headphones is extremely good. The treble and bass is brilliant. If you are in the market for an auxiliary wireless audio transmitter receiver, this one is definitely well worth considering. I hope you found this information of use to you. Thank you for watching.